Today we're making a creamy mushroom spread for Thanksgiving. In Romania, it's the type of dish that always appears at the holiday table. The first time I tried it was at a community event after church, and it was so good that I had to make it myself. For the first step, after washing the mushrooms, cut them into small cubes. Then I'm going to add the mushrooms into a pan over medium heat to remove the extra moisture. Use a wooden spoon to toss around the mushrooms so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. After just a few minutes, you'll start to see the moisture coming out of the mushrooms. Once you have this much liquid, toss it into the sink and continue to saute your mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are done, remove them from the pan and let them cool down to room temperature. The next step is to make the spread. Once the spread and the mushrooms have been mixed together, now it's time to serve them. Serve your spread straight away into a bowl, or you can decorate it for your holiday table.